child was served with a death notice, which means that Saluda County would be seeking the death penalty. On September 4th, 1985,
oh my God!
of Deborah May
Oh my God!
Again, prosecutors
Oh
would
my
seek the
God!
death penalty.
Oh my God!
And as Shuler notes in her
Oh! Christ!
Oh. He must be cheating on her, and that's why he's trying to make her feel terrible. So then we asked her, hey, would you want to try roses? Because maybe your husband has, somebody else already. Would you want to try roses? Because maybe your husband has, somebody else already.
I think he's funny.
Whoa!
Colin, can you pull over?
Yeah. I got
That car just kept going.
I got it on tape.
Is that man okay?
Oh, jeez, that man, that poor man. Oy,
You see
oy,
that?
oy, that
Yes,
poor man
yes.
just fell down.
¡Ay, hijo de puta!
Dios mío, ¿qué le pasó? ¿Es una persecución o qué? Cuidado, no te bajes, no te bajes.
Oh!
I have to, I have to put the letters and make them into words and then read them and then get them to my brain that gets my pecker hard. I love them. Pecker. Too long. Another one is, so we got read a book, review their day, write down their thoughts, digital detox, which I found interesting. I've heard that.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Ben.
Gator rocks.
Monthly sponsorship. I think they're all taken though, aren't they, Simon?
Yeah, we're sold out. A couple of months to sell them, but there's always something else.
Holy shit.
Manual recording will now start.
Okay, what on earth is the chap in front?
You've got to stop. Should I dial 999?
Yes.
Round to the right.
Yeah, they keep on the A31.
Yeah.
Eventually it becomes inevitable.
What's that?
I'm sorry. I thought to put the wrong foot on.
Alright, okay.
So sorry,
Okay.
Peter. I am so
Just suggested that. Do you know, is there something that you know first?
Eastbound from the bowling alley, 77th green, pick up all of the road.
There he goes.
Oops.
Hayward 7, Sawyer.